So I got a little bit tired of having iPhone for too long and I need to try something else. So what's the better way than buying literally phone from Google on Android? If you watch my videos, you know that I bought Apple Watch Band for $99. It was just so overpriced I couldn't believe. So I thought maybe I can buy for $99 something much better with much better value. And this is how I got my Pixel 3 128GB of storage unlocked. So yeah, I'm not joking. This was actually $99 plus tax, so $107 in total. Alright, so what amazed me is the fact that I bought Google Pixel 3. It's not some random phone, it's not some random brand that just trying to scam you. No, it's literally phone from Google with their own software, like Apple will do. They have iOS and their own phone. This is exactly the same thing, so it probably works incredible. So let's open it and see what's inside and if there's gonna be everything perfect or there's gonna be like some scratches. Maybe there might be something wrong with the screen, like some pink tint. I'm not really sure, but let's see. Maybe even it's gonna be bent, but let's hope for the best. So it's probably it should open like that. Okay, so here's the phone. Oh my god, it's already gorgeous. Okay, here's the charger. I don't think it's a real one, but let's open. I mean, the phone is nice, and I'm not sure how the original one looks, but this is for sure not the one. And this working phone is right here. It's a literally $99 phone from eBay. And let's open it and see how it's looking like from the back. I don't see the back right now. You see only the back. So right now I'll be surprised positively or negatively. So oh wow, actually it's looking gorgeous. So yeah, you can see Google Pixel and it's 128 gigabytes of storage. I can clean it and it's gonna be like new, actually like new, which is surprising. Okay, so here's the screen. They put like some random foil on it, so it's kind of funny. And are there any scratches? Those are like so small scratches that someone can get in their first day of having phone. So like for $99 I just got Google Pixel 3 that will have the newest update for the newest Android. Maybe it's last year, but and screen is just incredible also. You can see right now it's white, it's perfectly white. There's no blue tint or anything. The screen is just perfect. How does it even work? Tell me, because I don't understand right now. Alright, so I cleaned a little bit this phone. Of course, my fingers already did some fingerprints on it. Doesn't really matter. One thing, I mean, you can see after this sticker there is something and I can take it off. There's something, but it's probably very easy to take it off. And yeah, it's perfectly working phone right now. Oh, it just turned off because battery is probably very low. Oh no, it's working. Okay, so here's the phone. It's perfectly working for $99. And now explain me how this is $100. The braided loop from Apple, when I can buy literally perfectly working phone. I'm not really sure, but I'm very happy that finally I can try the Android world. So if you like, put some comments down below and tell me what's the best way to customize this phone, how you feel about it, and if you actually also did something like me, switch phones, because like this is so gorgeous and thin and perfectly look like I'm surprised. The last thing that I need to try is SIM card, if it's actually unlocked or it's gonna be for Verizon only. It should be unlocked. If it is, then bruh, the value of this phone is just outstanding. I just realized I just broke this metal part to take off SIM card slot. How? Don't ask me. But it still works though. So here it goes inside for the first time. And if it will get connection, or it's getting connection, and wow, yeah, I have signal. So I will set it up and also do an update probably, because it might need an update, and I hope I will not have any problems with Bluetooth that I have with my iPhone. This iPhone is just the worst thing if talking about connecting to earbuds. It's just not working. My main issue is that on any software, let's say the normal one that everyone have, the GM or any other like beta softwares, doesn't matter, I always have problems with Bluetooth and connecting to, let's say, my Apple earbuds. May I ask what's going on right now? Go to https://amber.ny. So I guess vibrations are also nice when I'm tapping something, keyboard, let's say. Those taps are gentle, like nice. Those are not like vibration, like zzz, zzz. No, those are like taps, which is nice actually. I like it. I like it a lot. So yeah, see you in short time and I'll tell you my opinion. Alright, so it's been quite a long time because I was using this phone, Pixel 3, from June 7 to June 21 instead of my iPhone. For my first day I really felt that Pixel 3 is working exactly the same, exactly as fast as my iPhone 5S. Really, it was really slow, but after that I realized maybe I actually should do an update for this phone, and this update changed everything. I mean, the phone still looks the same from the front and back, but software gets so good that I couldn't believe phone can get actually that fast after just an update. Let's say Moto G, 2nd gen, and also OnePlus 3. Every time there was an update, phone was getting worse. But with the Pixel, totally different story. This phone gets so fast that I feel maybe it can be a little bit faster than actually iPhone 11 that I have. There was just one update for the phone, but then there was like maybe 15-20 updates, and those were security updates. So this phone was turning on and off all the time. I just needed to be there, wait for this update to download, then turn on. I felt like doing jailbreak on my phone. Really, the same experience. First thing that I need to say right away is that this phone is just amazing, and I really feel like if anyone gonna buy this phone, it's gonna work for at least 2 or 3 years more without like no issues. Maybe battery, because battery is battery, but the phone overall, I feel like it's gonna work for at least 2 years with no issues at all, which is really impressive if you ask me. Also, there are like so much like little things about this phone in the software that I was like, wow, it really amazed me. And those small things are not, let's say, fingerprint scanner that is working, but it's not the greatest thing. I had so much times that it didn't work on me, and the reason is obvious. It's right now summer, so yeah, fingers are getting a little bit sweaty, so it's not really reading fingerprints. So like, I guess it's normal. That's why I prefer so much more Face ID on iPhone. But well, you're getting what you're getting. Let's say call. Someone is calling you. Assistant is talking to the person. Someone is speaking, and everything this person is speaking is translating for a text for you, so you can see like if it's a scam, if it's about your extended warranty for a car or anything like this, or actually is the person that you care about. So this thing is just incredible. Also, like squeezing your phone to get an assistant, which is really impressive that this phone had feature like this. Screen on this phone is just outstanding. Alright, it's not the best in a game, of course it's not, but it's much better than on iPhone 11 that I have. I still remember the day when I moved from iPhone 8 Plus to iPhone 11 that I have right now, and I saw literally every single pixel on the screen. I was like, God, now I can't use it. But then I get used to it and now I just don't see any single pixel right now. Another thing that I need to say about Android that is just incredible, I feel like, and simple. Let's say here, you can see, if I tap here, I can control everything from here. I can control media, call, ring, alarm, and even more. With iPhone, let's say I want to turn up the alarm to be maximum volume, so I will hear it for sure. I can change it, of course I can do it, but when alarm is already ringing. Or let's say Siri, I want to have my Siri louder. Okay, I can change it, but only when Siri is speaking to me. If I'm not fast enough, I can't do it. Then it's changing to media or something like this. So I can change volume, let's say, depending on what I'm doing on my iPhone, which is so weird and I really don't like it. Here you can see I'm on my lock screen, and if I just want to tap my card, I'm just doing like this, holding for such a short time, and already I can tap. And I feel like this is so much faster than on iPhone that I need to press twice, waiting, and then it's showing. On Android it's just right away working, and it's so fast, and in the same place I can, let's say, control my fan. It's so fast, I'm just doing like that, boom, here, and it's turned on. On iPhone it's not that easy. I need to tap the screen, then go down, then go to home, then it's showing, and then I can press it. But sometimes it's not even showing, or it's much slower, to the point that I just hate it. And really there is so much more things about Android that I don't have on iPhone, that I'm just like, I feel like I'm really missing out while having iPhone. But at the same time there is even much more things that I don't have on my Android than I have on iPhone. That every single day that I was trying to use the Pixel, at least at the end of the day, I was picking up my iPhone like it's a break. Like it's a break from Android, like from the phone. I'm picking up finally this phone. So what that means actually? So hard to say, so hard to say. But let's say Snapchat. Snapchat application is just, I feel like I had the same exactly application in 2014 on my Moto G2 that I have right now on the newest Pixel in 2021. I had exactly the same Snapchat on my OnePlus 3 that I have right now on Pixel in 2021, and every other app is feeling almost the same way. Of course, those apps are a little bit updated, so they have the newest features. So this is the first thing. Second thing, of course, I can, let's say, unlock bootloader, I can do a root for the phone, I can change so much things, let's say, on the Android. Of course, everyone is saying it this way, because I was in this world so long ago and I was doing all the possible things like swapping RAM and everything, whatever. Two front-facing cameras, one is ultra-wide and second one is regular. And I can't, by no means, by no possible chance, change main camera from the wide to ultra wide on, let's say, Snapchat or anything. Even unlocking these things, doing root, downloading different apps, no, it's at least not for me, because I'm not into it no more. But I don't saw even on the internet if it's possible. I feel like this is one of the things that is so much important for me, the front facing camera, to be the most ultra wide as it's possible. And on this phone I have ultra wide, but I can't use it on third-party apps. I can only use on main camera app. So that's bummer and I really don't like it. And this is how wide is while recording with stock camera, and it's so laggy still, like that's so weird. But yeah, Snapchat is recording like this, and it's funny how it's switching from both cameras with different exposition. And yeah, Snapchat is recording like this. Well, it can be like this. And this is how wide actually can this camera be. It can be like extremely wide, and on Snapchat you seem like this. And really, those are for me two main things why I don't feel like using Android phone, at least not this one. Front camera and back camera are really not the greatest, probably because of the sensor that is really old, uh, both in the front and back, but I hate the fact that I can't really use the ultra wide even if it's there. I can only use the wide angle camera, but the wide angle camera is like let's say like if I would have iPhone and like this to the camera. This is how I feel taking pictures with this camera on any single app that I have.
To take a photo or video, say something like, take a picture.
I don't want to take a picture with this phone. I don't really want. Pictures are always so dark. Pictures are always too much close to my face, or anyway, like they are not perfect. And I'm not really sure why people were saying that Pixel have like good camera while it's like average at best. It's only good on HDR plus enhanced. That's the only mode with this camera that actually I can say, okay, those pictures are good. Good. Not great. Not amazing. Good. Now I will show you pictures from Pixel and also iPhone so you can compare, let's say, for yourself. But I just need to say, if you don't care about cameras, this is the phone for you. And also if you don't really care about the application that are looking like they are from 2014, this phone is just literally for you. It's not gonna slow down, it's not gonna do anything. There's so much great features also on this phone that I feel like I would love to have on my iPhone. And for $100, don't really get me wrong, this is the best phone I can even imagine to have. Even 150. This is such a great price for this phone. I just don't feel like having the Android, I guess. Or if I will have Android, I just need to make sure that there is only one camera, only one front-facing camera, and this camera is really wide. Then I think I would probably ditch my iPhone, because I don't really want to use my iPhone no more. But of course the ecosystem, Apple Watch, Mac, headphones, iPad, you name it, there's just a lot of things that I use, like Apple Music, that is not really working well on Android too. Okay, I have 3 applications, these are Apple Music and Spotify, but no matter what, all the apps works the best on iPhone. It's just the thing. Alright, so this is the end of this video, and I think it was a really long video, but I still believe this phone really deserves long video. It's a great phone. It's a really great phone with amazing features, but just the front-facing camera that I can't change to ultra-wide on every single app that I use. Those applications or speakers, yeah, speakers are really bad. Maybe it's my unit, maybe because it's $100 and I saw that, like I said, those speakers maybe just my unit. You see, I think someone was putting their nails here, and that's why those speakers maybe doesn't sound as good as they should. So I'm not really saying anything about those speakers. Also, I don't really care about speakers in my phone, so that's the thing. I'm more care about the camera that I can't change, and I really thought I can use ultra wide, but I can't. So yeah, this was one of the reasons for me, like, wow, ultra wide, and it's only like this on every single picture, only just my face, while I want everything. Thanks for watching and see you in another video. Bye.